Hello, I'm Alan Johnston for TRIPCON, the triple function power conditioner, our premier residential surge protection, harmonic filtration, and power factor correction system. It combines these three crucial electrical system safeguards into something greater than the sum of its parts. A synergistic whole home power guardian that improves performance, increases longevity, and boosts efficiency in your expensive electronics. TRIPCON protects everything connected to your electrical system from all kinds of power surges and spikes, mundane to the catastrophic. It's estimated that lightning damage alone costs over $1 billion per year in the United States. TRIPCON protects against lightning strikes, but the larger concern is that your system is exposed to a constant barrage of smaller surges and spikes. These come from your utility and from your electrical load switching on and off inside your home. TRIPCON uses MOVs, or metal oxide varistors as they're called, the most robust surge protection devices available. MOVs provide protection from surges and spikes, big and small, every day. Another hidden power problem that damages and hinders the performance of your electrical devices is electrical noise, also called harmonics, which generate electromagnetic fields or harmful EMF. Harmonics are caused by non-linear loads, such as lighting and switching power supplies, things like computers, television, anything with one of those, what we used to call wall wart adapters. Imagine for a moment driving your car with the accelerator either all the way on or all the way off. Think of the jerking that would be caused to you and your passengers and the other cars around you. That is essentially what non-linear loads are doing to your electrical system and everything connected to it. TRIPCON utilizes harmonic filters, which are able to smooth out the power so that everything runs better and hazardous EMF are reduced. The third power issue that TRIPCON addresses is power factor correction. Electrical motors use electricity to magnetize the windings in the motor, but much of that energy is never consumed. It flows in, creates the magnetic field, and then flows out as waste. TRIPCON employs capacitors that capture that energy to reduce waste. As much as 30% of that wasted energy is captured and fed back into the electrical system. Now, that doesn't mean that you get a 30% reduction on the electric bill, but the majority of our customers have seen a noticeable reduction in their electric costs. TRIPCON is needed in every home. Every home with electronics needs surge protection and harmonic filtration. Every home with electric motors can benefit from power factor correction. Power conditioning and optimized efficiency benefit homes with generators and alternate energy sources such as solar and wind because it allows them to power more electrical devices than they otherwise could. High-end televisions and computers also last longer due to the protection provided by TRIPCON. The quality of TRIPCON is unsurpassed. TRIPCON US is made proudly in the USA. All our products are designed and manufactured under the strict direction of electrical engineers with extensive experience in power quality. TRIPCON is backed by a 10-year warranty and a $25,000 insurance policy. You heard that correctly. TRIPCON is warranted for 10 years from the date of installation. If anything at all happens to your TRIPCON, including a power surge so great that TRIPCON must literally sacrifice itself to protect your electronics, we'll replace it. You will get 10 years of protection, no questions asked. If for some reason TRIPCON is unable to stop a surge from damaging your devices, you're still covered. Our $25,000 backup insurance policy ensures you'll be able to replace those things that are damaged by a surge entering through your electrical service panel. Surge protection, harmonic filtration, and power factor correction. TRIPCON is your home's complete energy management solution. There's no reason for your home to go unprotected any longer.